learn Italian greetings. When we meet someone, the first thing we say is a greeting. In English, we say, hello, good morning, good evening. In Italian, we do the same. Let's start very slowly. In Italian, the most common word for hello is ciao. Pronunciation: ciao. Now listen carefully. Ciao has two meanings: hello, bye. One word, two uses. When do we use ciao? We use ciao when we talk to friends, family, classmates, people our age. It is informal. Example: ciao, Luca. Hello, Luca. Saying hello politely. Now imagine this situation. You are talking to a teacher, an old person, a stranger, someone at work. Here, we do not use ciao. We say buongiorno, meaning good morning. When do we say buongiorno? We say buongiorno in the morning until early afternoon in formal situations. When you are leaving your friend, you can simply say ciao. Example: ciao, see you tomorrow. Easy and natural. In formal situations, we say arrivederci, meaning goodbye. Use this in office, shops, with teachers or elders. Easy way to remember. Remember this. Ciao friends. Buongiorno morning plus respect. Buonasera evening plus respect. Arrivederci polite goodbye. In Italy, people always greet first. If you greet properly, you sound polite and confident. Today, you learned Italian greetings. If you liked this lesson, like this video. Share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel for more Italian lessons. In the next video, we will learn, how are you, in Italian Italy. Grazie. Thank you.